Here we go, everyone. This is what I call roof hacking. Someone came in here, put a bowl, a piece of a can, with a bush, a beer, and I guess they were drinking and fixing the roof. Look, I'm not joking, guys. Look, that's hacking 101. You get what you pay, right? By using the cheap competitor. Look, I'm thinking they were drinking and fixed this roof in the same time. Bam. Man, it made me thirsty, but I'm gonna drink water, not beer. You know. They put some elastomeric or urethane, actually urethane, and that's it. And that's what they done using a beer can. So cool. That's kind of odd, but it's interesting, right? Yeah, they're able to fix that for at least a couple minutes until it rains. God bless, Bruno, no BS.